A few months ago, legendary marketer and friend Russell Brunson, founder of ClickFunnels, sent a brief email to over 100 of his 2 Comma Club award winners. 2 Comma Club winners have sold over $1 million. Inside that email was a single question. Here's what it read. You suddenly lose everything in your business. Your money, your big name, your list, your affiliates and JV partners, all of it. You have bills piled high and people harassing you for money over the phone. All you have is a roof over your head, a phone line, an internet connection, and a ClickFunnels account for only 1 month. Other than your vast marketing experience, you're back to being a newbie. What exactly would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? He started reading through the crazy detailed plans, mapping out what they do day by day. They sent him incredible, creative blueprints for how to get their businesses back up and rolling again, and generating income and leads in just 1 month. Every 2 Comma Club expert had a different answer and used a different strategy, which is really cool. Each of his 30 speakers are going to answer that question for you in detail during the 30-day summit. They will lay out their step-by-step detailed action plan day 1 through day 30 for how they get their business up and rolling. And each plan is designed to start out from zero. Meaning, even if you have no list, no authority, no income, no affiliates or partners, even if you're starting out truly from square one, this virtual summit is pre-engineered for you to succeed starting from scratch. This is the summit you need to attend. Click the link below to reserve your spot for the free 30 days virtual summit event. I'll see you there.